a great choice today with the 2020 Toyota Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable mid-size car. Reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, power windows, rear window defroster, trip computer, security system, remote keyless entry, tachometer, panic alarm, brake assist, overhead console, power driver's seat, front reading lamps, driver vanity mirror. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.